Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Stellar Lumens price prediction and Stellar Lumens news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Stellar Lumens in 2022. Stellar is a distributed open source and community-owned blockchain network. Stellar was founded by lawyer Joyce Kim and Jed McCaleb in 2014. It is used to facilitate transfers between assets. Stellar is committed to facilitating these transfers for a fraction of a penny, while striving to be an open financial system and provide people of all income levels with access to affordable financial services. Stellar's own digital currency is called Lumens (Xlm). To protect against spam, there is a requirement that each Stellar wallet contains at least a small amount of Lumens. With Lumens, users can send each other any currency, automatically converting it to any other. Stellar also supports smart contracts. Multiple digital currency cross-border payment initiatives known as multi-CBDCs, MCBDC. That includes China, which is acutely aware of its reliance on SWIFT. Although most transactions still go via SWIFT, it has already created its own conventional alternative, CIPS. China is involved in the Bridge Digital Currency Initiative for cross-border payments that includes Hong Kong, Thailand, and the UAE. The architecture of these systems is quite different to SWIFT, which is purely used for messaging with banks and intermediaries processing the payments. Instead, the digital currency initiatives exchange currencies directly, making cross-border payments cheaper and faster with fewer intermediaries. While these are the goals of these projects, the effects are to reduce the reliance on SWIFT. In 2019, the Russian Direct Investment Fund, RDIF, suggested that BRICS countries should create their own currency for similar purposes. The SWIFT ban could accelerate the development of these cross-border efforts. On the one hand, decentralization has advantages, but fragmentation in payments often adds complexity and cost, and it will make it far harder to use. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Stellar Lumens. XLM smart contracts are coming to Stellar Network. Smart contracts are set to be launched on the Stellar XLM network, as the Stellar Development Foundation, SDF, keeps looking at new ways to further trust-minimized innovation and enable equitable access to the financial system. In a blog post published by the SDF, it notes that adding smart contracts will empower the ecosystem with more room to innovate. The goal, it adds, is for Stellar to remain one of the most accessible networks for developers, so they can deliver high-quality and safe applications to their users. The post adds that bringing smart contracts to Stellar is not a departure from the original vision, and adds smart contracts on it will need to be secure for users and can scale without exorbitant network fees. If properly implemented, it adds, smart contracts on Stellar would be set apart from those of other networks. This as well, smart contracts aren't new. Stellar could implement them based on what's the largest project in DeFi, after Uniswap and Maker. It even went ahead of well-known projects like Aave and PancakeSwap. Thorchain core developer Chad Bareford tweeted this development. Following this, the price of Rune spiked by 34% in a day. Its value increased by 21% over the past 24 hours, to rest at $5.27. Although, at press time, the price had settled under the $5 mark with a 3% hike in 24 hours. Finding might trigger cross-chain protocol. Thorchain went live with synthetic assets trading on its platform earlier on 10 March. This caused the price of its native token Rune to jump as discussed above. Notably, crypto synthetics, or synths, are derivative tokens of other digital assets, pegged to the value of the underlying collateralized assets such as Bitcoin or Ether. Using Rune as an intermediary allowed for the trading of assets from one network to be traded for another in a decentralized manner without using smart contract-based bridges. Interestingly, synthetics such as synthetic BTC, SBTC, and synthetic SETH are traded on the network. In a blog post, the team highlighted a few advantages of this development. It noted, synths have great utility for traders and arbitrageurs, as they can be transacted nearly instantly and at a fraction of the cost compared to native one-layer swaps. Well, in the future, it would allow Thorchains to earn yield with synths, thanks to vaults. And it would also provide other exciting Thorfy utilities. Core developer Chad Bareford reiterated the importance of freshly launched synths via Twitter. The crypto space will soon become mainstream. Each project offers unique plans for survival and dominance in the market. We will try to answer these frequently asked questions. Is Stellar XLM a good investment? How much will Stellar cost in 2025? But in reality, guessing price fluctuations and forecasting future prices is a hell of a task. But let's not waste time and proceed to the forecast, and we will start from the current year 2022, but perhaps I will clarify that at the moment the price of Stellar fluctuates around 18 cents United States dollars. Xlm Rate Prediction 2022. For a long-term forecast of the Stellar price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average price of Xlm will rise to around 26 cents by 2022 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2022, the year may end with a maximum price of 29 cents with a minimum price 26 cents level. Xlm Rate Prediction 2023, Xlm will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the stellar price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2023, the stellar rate will be almost 38 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 45 cents. Stellar average price prediction for the end of 2023 could be around 39 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Stellar price prediction 2024, volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Stellar could cross 65 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 56 cents. Stellar price prediction 2025, Xlm has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Stellar, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of 94 cents. Xlm is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of 81 cents, a minimum price of 79 cents, and a maximum price of 94 cents. Stellar price prediction 2026, it appears that by 2026, Stellar, Xlm, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be $1.19. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Stellar's maximum price could be up to $1.37 in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Xlm Rate Prediction 2027, a flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Stellar will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2027, Xlm is expected to have a maximum value of $2. The minimum bet could rise to $1.65 if the market turns bullish. Xlm Rate Prediction 2028, the value of Stellar will rise, thanks to the efforts of the network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2028 is bullish. Xlm is expected to reach a maximum rate of $2.86 by the end of 2028, according to analysts. On the other hand, it's very optimistic that the future of Stellar will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Xlm will be between $2.24 and $2.31 expected in 2028 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Xlm ranges from $2.24 to $2.86 for 2028.